Welcome to the Info Cat S53, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. This is the place for our phone. Let's just open it, and here we could see the USB Type-C cable. The first accessories. Let's open it. Here we got some paperwork like the quick start guide and safety guide and the warranty card, and also we got here the semi jack tool, and that's it. That's all of the box accessories. Unfortunately, we have now here the charger, the earbuds, the protective cases, so you should buy all of these accessories separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.